This case 580 backhoe came in to get blasted, epoxy primed, and painted. In this clip here, I'm going to be removing the tires. In this clip here, I'm going to be doing some sandblasting. Here's a picture of it after it was all blasted. In this clip here, I'm applying the epoxy primer. Here's a clip of it after it was all epoxy primed. In this clip here, I'm spraying the Imron Industrial paint in the case yellow. Here's a clip of it after all the yellow was painted. In this clip here, I'm applying the epoxy primer to the rims. In this clip, I'm applying the case yellow in the Imron Industrial paint. Here's a clip of the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a follow. And if you're from the New England area and you need a piece of equipment cleaned up like this, reach out to me and I'll get back to you.